Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we're going to make our own version of homemade cheese curds. In a saucepan, pour half gallon of whole milk. For best result, use raw milk. In this video I used whole milk that I bought from the grocery store, which is pasteurized. Set your stove between low and medium heat to avoid the milk from burning on the bottom of your pan. You need to stir constantly. Our aim is for 115 or 120 temperature. So guys, we had reached the 115 temperature. Now we're going to add 7 tablespoons of white vinegar. Stir to combine the vinegar with the milk. Cover the pan for at least 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is how the milk should look like. So you can separate it like this, like scooping the solids and separating it from the liquid, which is the whey, or you can get a cheesecloth and just pour your mixture into the cheesecloth so it can catch all the solids and separate it properly. But please be careful because your mixture is very hot. So eventually I used the cheesecloth to make sure that all the curds are separated from the whey. Now I'm using a cheesecloth to gather the rest of the curds because it was getting way too hard. Do not dispose of the whey. You can also use it for marinating your chicken, or you can pour it in your plant. Don't pour it while it's hot, just when it's cooled down, and it's actually nutritious for the plant. Now that the whey is out of our way, we can gather all the curds into a ball and make sure that there's no more liquids in there, and we're going to put it in the microwave for at least 45 seconds or until we reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. I apologize for the cheesy jokes, guys. I have to get it out of the way. To get some elasticity on your cheese curds, you might have to microwave your cheese curds twice or 3 times until you reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Try and stretch your cheese curds in between heating it up in the microwave. So here I'm just cooling down the cheese curds, and once it's cooled down, I will add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of pepper. You can add whatever seasoning you would like to your cheese curds, but please don't forget the process of adding seasoning like salt, pepper, and sugar, so you won't have a bland cheese curds. So guys, we're preparing to fry our cheese curds. So I portioned the curds in bite-sized pieces. I prepared 3 small bowls One bowl is for dredging. It has half cup plain flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of pepper, and half teaspoon of sugar. Another bowl has 1 egg, a half cup of milk, and 3 tablespoons of the flour mixture. The last bowl will be flour, panko, and paprika. So for every 3 tablespoons of flour, you have to add 1 tablespoon of panko. And I only have a half teaspoon of paprika in this mixture. Now we can bread our curds. First, put it in the dredging, which is the flour mixture, and then into the milk and egg mixture, and then to the panko and flour mixture, and then do this until everything is well coated. If you don't like to have sticky fingers from the flour and egg mixture, use a barbecue stick like what I'm doing here. Here's your homemade cheese curds. Enjoy!